J Tiger with Thailand Bad Motor Scooters. Check out this guy. This is a Yamaha Fina, and this one is really nice. Got the gold anodized rims, steel braided hardware, blue castle nuts, super clean. Oh wow, check out this master cylinder for the front brake. Is that cool or what? Check out the mirrors. We got the carbon fiber treatment on the mirrors. Got carbon fiber. Wow, this is a really nice ride. Oh my God, and it continues over here. Check out the aftermarket shock. Carbon fiber cover. J Tiger in Thailand. Please give me